Maui, the second largest Hawaiian island, is a tropical paradise that's no less than a dream. Its lush green landscapes, pristine beaches, and majestic volcanoes are as captivating as a painting come to life. Nestled in the Central Pacific, this gem is steeped in rich history, vibrant culture, and warm Hawaiian hospitality. Its breathtaking beauty has earned it the reputation of being a top-tier tourist destination. So, buckle up and get ready to delve into the enchanting world of Maui as we count down the top 12 must-visit spots on this island paradise. Before we embark on the mesmerizing road to Hana, let's take a quick detour to the stunning Wailea Beach. Coming in at number 12 on our list, Wailea Beach is one of Maui's most popular beaches, renowned for its golden sands that sparkle under the Hawaiian sun and crystal-clear waters that mirror the vast blue sky. It's a paradise for those who enjoy sunbathing, swimming, and snorkeling, offering an opportunity to see the vibrant marine life up close. The beach is lined with high-end resorts, each offering a luxurious experience that adds a touch of opulence to this natural wonder. So take a moment to soak in the sun, let the calming rhythm of the waves soothe you, and immerse yourself in the beauty of Wailea Beach before we continue our journey to explore the mesmerizing landscapes of Maui. Next up on our list at number 11 is the mesmerizing road to Hana. This iconic highway is a must-drive for any Maui visitor. With over 600 curves and 59 bridges, it's a journey that's as thrilling as it is scenic. The road weaves through lush rainforests, past cascading waterfalls and panoramic ocean views, offering an unforgettable drive. Along the way, you'll find plenty of spots to stop and soak in the stunning surroundings. Don't miss the chance to take a refreshing dip in the clear pools under the waterfalls, or to explore the famous black sand beach at Waianapanapa State Park. And remember, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. So, take your time and enjoy every moment of this captivating drive. Before we ascend to the heights of Haleakala National Park, let's make a pit stop at number 10 on our list, the vibrant Upcountry Farmers Market. Located in the cool region of Upcountry Maui, this bustling market is a feast for the senses. Here you'll encounter a diverse array of fresh, locally sourced produce, from crisp vegetables to exotic fruits, all grown with the aloha spirit. But that's not all. The market is also a hotspot for local delicacies. Sample freshly baked banana bread, savor mouth-watering poke, or indulge in a refreshing tropical smoothie. As you wander through the market, you'll also come across local artisans selling handmade crafts, a perfect souvenir to remember your Maui adventure. So, take a moment to immerse yourself in the local culture, taste the flavors of Maui, and support the island's sustainable agriculture. The Upcountry Farmers Market is more than just a place to shop. It's an experience, a celebration of Maui's rich culinary heritage and tight-knit community. Number 9 on our list takes us to the heights of the Haleakala National Park. This park boasts the world-famous Haleakala Crater, an enormous volcanic depression that spans over 7 miles. The crater's lunar-like landscape offers an otherworldly experience that you won't want to miss. But that's not all. The park is also renowned for its spectacular sunrise view. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of the crater, wrapped in a blanket of stars, as the first rays of sunlight pierce the horizon. It's a sight to behold, a memory to cherish. Just remember, you need to book this experience in advance. It's a hot ticket item, and for good reason. While you're there, don't forget to check out the unique silversword plant. This rare species, found nowhere else on Earth, adds a touch of silver sparkle to the park's dramatic landscape. From its summit, you can catch a breathtaking sunrise that's worth every bit of the early rise. Coming in at number 8 from our top spot, we move into Maui's past in the historic town of Lahaina. Once a bustling whaling town in the mid-19th century, Lahaina is now a tranquil haven of well-preserved buildings, each with its own tale to tell. These structures whisper of a time long gone, yet their charm remains as potent as ever. Strolling down the quaint streets, you'll find yourself at the famous Banyan Tree Park, home to a colossal tree that's over a century old. This park is a living testament to Lahaina's enduring spirit. The banyan tree, with its vast canopy and countless aerial roots, is a sight to behold, especially in the late afternoon when the sun paints the sky in hues of orange and pink. And what's a visit to Lahaina without indulging in the local cuisine? Make sure to try the fresh seafood, particularly the mahi-mahi. It's a local favorite that will surely make your taste buds dance. Lahaina is a charming town where history and modernity collide in the best way possible. At number 7 from the top spot, we have the lush and verdant Yao Valley State Park. This oasis tucked away in West Maui is a sight to behold. Its lush greenery and towering peaks make you feel as if you've stepped into a postcard. The park's crowning glory is the iconic Yao Needle, a green-mantled rock outcropping that stands tall at 1,200 feet, piercing the sky above. The valley is not just a feast for the eyes, it's also steeped in history. It was here that the Battle of Kapanawai took place, a pivotal moment in Hawaii's history, marking the unification of the islands. The best time to visit? Early morning or late afternoon when the sun paints the valley in hues of gold. And remember, wear sturdy shoes for the hike, bring a rain jacket, and don't forget your camera. A visit to the Yao Valley is a journey through the pages of Maui's rich history. Next on our list, at number 6, we arrive at the vibrant Kaanapali Beach. This 3-mile stretch of golden sand is the epitome of a tropical paradise. Located on Maui's western shore, Kaanapali Beach has everything you could dream of in a beach destination. Crystal clear waters, abundant marine life, and a breathtaking sunset that paints the sky in hues of pink and orange. But there's more to this beach than just its natural beauty. Kaanapali Beach is also home to Whalers Village, an oceanfront shopping complex boasting a mix of local boutiques and high-end brands. And let's not forget the daily cliff diving ceremony held at Black Rock. Every evening as the sun begins to set, a cliff diver lights the torches along the cliff, leading up to a dive off of Black Rock into the ocean below. It's a spectacle not to be missed. So, whether you're a beach lover, a shopping enthusiast, or a history buff, Kaanapali Beach has something for everyone. Remember to respect the marine life and leave only footprints behind. As we leave the vibrant Kaanapali Beach, we move on to our 5th from the top spot in Maui, the mystical Wailua Waterfalls. Nestled in the lush eastern rainforest region of Maui, the Wailua Waterfalls is a spectacle straight out of a fairy tale. The falls cascade down an impressive 80 feet into a serene pool surrounded by tropical foliage. The sight is nothing short of mesmerizing. A short and accessible hike leads you to the base of the falls where you can soak in the majestic view, or if you're feeling adventurous, take a refreshing dip in the pool. The falls are most spectacular after a heavy rain, so timing your visit can add to the magic, but that's not all. The Wailua Waterfalls is also a popular spot for rainbow sightings, so if you're lucky you might just witness a beautiful rainbow arching across the falls, adding another layer of enchantment to the experience. Remember to respect the natural surroundings and take nothing but photographs. Stay tuned as we journey to our final destination. From the mesmerizing Wailua Waterfalls, we make our way to our 4th from the top spot in Maui, the tranquil Hamoa Beach. Often touted as one of the most beautiful beaches in Maui, Hamoa Beach is a hidden gem located on the eastern side of the island. Enclosed by lush green cliffs and crystal-clear turquoise waters, this crescent-shaped beach offers a sense of seclusion and tranquility that's hard to find. The beach is composed of a unique mixture of coral and lava, making the sand a striking salt and pepper color. Whether you want to soak up the sun, take a leisurely stroll, or explore the vibrant marine life while snorkeling, Hamoa Beach provides the perfect setting. And if you're a surfing enthusiast, the beach's consistent waves offer a thrilling experience. As we relax on the pristine sands of Hamoa Beach, the sun begins to set, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple, the perfect backdrop to end our journey. Stay with us as we wrap up our incredible Maui adventure. Leaving the serene Hamoa Beach behind, we venture towards the east side of Hana to discover our 3rd from the top stop, the exotic black sand beach at Waihanapanapa State Park. This unique beach is a sight to behold with its jet black sand, a stark contrast to the usual white or golden sands you might expect. The black sand, created by the rapid cooling of lava as it hits the ocean, gives the beach an otherworldly feel. The park itself is a natural wonder, with lush greenery, freshwater caves, sea arches, and a blowhole that sprays water high into the air. As you explore, you'll stumble upon ancient Hawaiian legends, adding a mystical touch to your visit. The park offers camping facilities for those who wish to stay and absorb the beauty a little longer. As we stand on the black sands, watching the powerful waves crash against the rugged lava cliffs, we're reminded of the raw, untamed beauty that Maui has to offer. So join us as we prepare to conclude our journey through this paradise. From the exotic black sand beach, we set sail towards the crescent-shaped Molokini crater, our second to the top stop. A partially submerged volcanic crater, Molokini forms a small, uninhabited islet located between Maui and Kaho'olawe. This geological wonder is not just a sight to behold, but it's also a marine life conservation district teeming with vibrant coral reefs and a diverse array of marine species, making it a popular destination for snorkeling and diving. The crystal-clear waters offer visibility up to 150 feet, allowing you to witness the intricate coral formations and colorful schools of fish in stunning clarity. From exotic fish to the occasional sea turtle, the underwater world of Molokini Crater is a paradise waiting to be explored. So grab your snorkel gear and prepare to dive into the vibrant underwater world of Molokini Crater, a fitting finale to our journey through Maui's many splendors. Leaving the serene waters of the Molokini Crater behind, we now set foot on the scenic Kapalua Coastal Trail, our top spot on our list of must-do things in Maui. Stretching over 1.76 miles, this trail offers unparalleled ocean views and a chance to explore Maui's captivating coastline. The trail winds through the unique Dragon's Teeth, an unusual rock formation that is a testament to Maui's volcanic past, and leads us to the pristine Onaloa Bay. Here, the glistening white sands meet the azure seas, painting a picture of tranquility. Whether you are in the mood for a leisurely stroll, a brisk run, or a scenic picnic, the Kapalua Coastal Trail is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. So, lace up your hiking boots, pack your essentials, and get ready to explore the captivating beauty of the Kapalua Coastal Trail, a gem nestled between the emerald greens and the deep blues. And with that, we've traveled through the top 12 must-visit spots in Maui, each with its own unique charm and allure. We've journeyed from the lush Iao Valley State Park to the sun-kissed shores of Lahaina, and savored the local delights of the road to Hana. We've immersed ourselves in the rich history and natural wonders, from the peaks of Haleakala National Park to the enchanting Maui itself. Subscribe for more travel adventures, tips, and guides. Aloha, and see you in the next one.